Welcome to Corporeal IT. This is the Datamaster Professional Crimping Toolkit. The kit includes one precision steel crimper hand tool, a bag of 4-position, 6-position and 8-position modular plugs, a handy support tool and a carry case. The 3 individual dies allow for accurate termination of 4-position, 6-position and 8-position modular plugs. Furthermore, the 6-position die also has an adjustment to accept MMP plugs. The jaw design distributes equal pressure to all contacts simultaneously. Plus the ratchet operation ensures excellent insulation penetration and cord strain relief. The crimper also has a cutter and a stripper built in. Plug types suited are 4-pin, 6-pin, 6-pin with MMP type and 8-pin. This crimper was specifically designed and manufactured for professional usage. Datamaster is a registered tool with a patent and such is highly recommended by technicians and IT network installers in Australia and abroad. Visit our online store today.